Unplug the socket and unscrew the screw. Pull out the end of the wire that is connected. After pulling it out, loosen the screws on the side. After loosening, just unplug the power cord. Loosen the side screws again and pull out the long screws. Start processing the wires of the original heating rod. Pass the power cord on the heating rod through the sleeve. The heating rod needs to be wrapped with roll tape and then tightened. Be sure to tighten it. You can follow the steps in the video. Start working on the power cord, leaving it at an appropriate length. Please note that there is a groove here. There is a convex point here, and these two places need to correspond to each other for insertion. Before installation, you can tighten the wires a bit. Insert the power cord correspondingly. Tighten the screws on the side. Pay attention to align the groove with the convex point before inserting. After inserting, screw in the long screw and tighten it.